need my step stool. Good gracious. Guess I might as well get used to it though. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, things look a little bit different today. It's not just gonna be me talking on camera anymore. We are completely changing things. I'm now bringing in my little bit taller, less handsome brother, let's put it that way.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start building stuff together, and this is gonna be more of a family channel now. So you can see we got two different trucks now. We have my stock truck, his lifted truck. They're almost identical. So we're gonna get in here and get to work today. Y'all might recognize them from our No Man's Land channel where we did some hunting and fishing videos. A couple of you have made it to that channel and come back, but
yeah,
this is Sterling. He's gonna be
happy to jump in. Yeah. See if we can't get some family builds going on. We got some stuff coming up in the future. See if we can make some good videos on for y'all.
If one idiot wasn't enough, now we got two, so.
Exactly. It'll be a little more entertaining.
Maybe two of us together can figure things out. Let's get in here and get to work.
We're going to be doing a quick install video today. I want to give a huge thanks out to Boost Auto Parts for sending us their wireless charging pad kit for my 2019 Chevy Silverado. My truck didn't come with one previously installed from the factory, so we're going to add it in so I can, slay my phone on the console when it charges. So this wireless charging pad actually is just going to replace this factory, your little hole right here. So we're not going to bore you with a long drawn out step-by-step video of how to install it, everything. We're just going to give you a good review, and we're going to let you know our opinion on it when we're done with it.
All right, so I'm gonna show you what comes in your package when it shows up. See, it's got a nice Boost Auto Parts logo on it. Open it up, you're gonna have the actual charging pad yourself. I've already opened this. This normally isn't sticking out. You got your wire that you're gonna run to actually cable it in. So it's got an inline fuse and some goodies. Got a koozie, plenty of koozies. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on your gear shifter. All right, well, I got a magnet. So we'll go ahead and throw that on the freezer where all our other stickers, and then nice little card. So I do want to give them a huge shout out to Boost Auto. Make sure you go hit them up. They sent us this product so we can review it for you and say how we like it. I think we got some more things we're gonna work with them on in the future. I think they just released some new running boards, so we're gonna hit them up, see if we can't get some of those. But let's get it in. All right, so when you open your console here, you're just gonna pop this little piece off the bottom, which I've already took screws out, so I probably made it more difficult. It said pry this thing up. So if I break your truck, I don't have to pay for it, right?
That's not how that works.
We'll put it on the company card about that.
So after Ding Dong removed our screws, 4 screws underneath, this piece right here just pops out, like that right there. And then we're gonna mount that charger in here.
I'm gonna show you something they didn't show you in the video. When you pull this out, you're gonna have all your crap you've spilt down there over the years. If you've watched the channel for a while, you know I love Super Clean. Great partner of the channel. We actually gonna have a giveaway coming up where Super Clean is gonna send out a care package to somebody. So it's probably gonna be our next video. Keep your eye out, it'll be in there. Ain't tiny, your truck's just tall. All right, well, we started this video saying we were gonna probably screw something up and 2 dummies was better than 1. Well, 2 dummies is not better than 1. We have quickly realized that if your console matters when it comes to your charger, which I didn't pay attention to. This is a flip-up console in this truck, so it has the seat. The size of the tray is slightly bigger than my truck, which is the solid console, so you have a slight gap here. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna pivot, and I think we're gonna throw this in my truck to finish it up, and we're gonna get Sterling one to finish his off. So I'm gonna email the guys at Boost and see if I could possibly get another one, or maybe just this piece, so we can fix it. But we're idiots.
You should have known that it wasn't gonna go easy. There's always something. We plan on shooting a video, doing something real quick and simple. Never simple with us. We learn it. You use your knife to get the rubber out?
Might have had a while ago.
Yeah, where's your knife at?
It'll go in there, pop it in the side.
It's too big.
Use the other end. I did on this, there you go. I can't believe we were idiots and tried to put it in complete wrong truck to start with.
Well, I thought they were kind of universal. You would never think that little tray would be a different size on a different truck, but same truck, different console. Everything looks the same though.
Slide down or something.
I think this clip back up here popped back in.
Oh, it did. It's off on this side. Hey.
Ow. Damn.
My truck too low for you, hitting your head?
Yeah, I'm over here like damn straddling the seat.
Go ahead and get in your car seat.
I got it started.
Damn it. Go ahead and get in your seat. Let me see.
There she blows. So just make sure whenever you install this that you put this trim piece on first like this. So this can lay like that in it. And then you're gonna clip your trim piece in and then we'll put screws in all of it and it'll be good to go.
And guys, I know we're making this look super complicated, which is probably not good for Boost, but if you follow the instructions, which we haven't done, we keep pausing the video and thinking we know what's coming next and we don't. Watch the video before you do it. It's so much simpler. We have screwed this up about every way you possibly could and had to have taken screws out, put things back in. We started in the wrong truck to start with. Now we're in the right truck. It's so much simpler if you just watch the video and read the instructions. We're idiots.
So little red light's on, which means it's not charging anything. Lay a phone up there, starts charging, turns blue, phone starts charging. If you need to for some reason, hold this button in the middle, turns it off completely. So I don't really see the need for having to turn it off. I don't think it's gonna catch your truck on fire or anything.
Well, guys, we made that way more difficult than it needed to be. We started on a completely wrong model truck. I actually hit up my contact at Boost and he was like, no, it's got to go on a full console. There's a different model number for a flip-up console. So I'm gonna link both of those below when we do this. That way, and I will designate which one's which so you don't get confused. We were idiots, we said it.
Yeah.
So.
That bi-console tray is just a slight bit bigger. I guess because since it's the flip-up console, his was a little bit smaller. But once we started installing on his, well, we did it in 10 minutes.
Story of my life.
I mean, I think, but yeah, overall, I think it probably took us 10 minutes to install. Super easy, super quick.
Yeah, it took us 10 minutes filming, so.
Had to drill one little hole, and then you just pop all his clips off. We plugged everything in, got it up there, and it was there. It's super easy.
And it's working flawlessly so far. We just took it down the road and shot another video, and it charged my phone just fine. I have no issues with it. So we'll see how it holds up, but I'm all for it. So hopefully we can get some more stuff with Boost. They seem like they want to be a partner of the channel, so wish us luck on that one. Well,
we'll see.
I know, it did make it look pretty bad. All right, well, I'll let you send us out for the first time, buddy.
Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.
See y'all.